This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Suzanne Roscher. Nice corner lot and perfect home ready to move in with 2 living spaces, large fenced backyard, and recent improvements. Wood flooring throughout except Bathrooms.New HVAC, Ducts Cleaning, interior painted, other improvements.Convenient location to everything, good neighborhood, and good floor plan, with over 1,800 square feet. If you are looking to be in home soon, come tour this today. It's ready for you to move in. For more information, review the details below.